Hello, friends. In this episode, we will learn a song from the seasonal songs of Rabindranath Tagore, and today we will learn a song written on Hemonto. Hemonto is a season which is a transitional season between autumn and winter. In Bengal, in some places, we see the change that happens when the season slowly changes from autumn to winter, but in other places it is not really visible. For Hemonto, Rabindranath had written a couple of songs, not as many as he has written for other seasons. Rabindranath wrote this song in the year 1922, when he has crossed the age of experimentation and he has embarked upon the phase of independent creativity. This is a song which is the first of its examples where Rabindranath is not experimenting but he is creating his own songs in his own genre, which we really understand as Rabindra Sangeet now. So this particular song is not based or inspired from other song, or it is not a bhanga song. It is not also has got influence of Western tunes. It has got its independent flavor, and it's Rabindric in its true sense. We'll start with the first line, which says, সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে আমার সময় হয় নাই ফিরে ফিরে চলে গেলে তাই. So if I roughly translate this to English, this would mean that you called me then, but I didn't listen to you, and you waited for me, and then you went away. Okay, so you should also keep in mind the presence of Hemonto in the climatic changes of or weather changes of Bengal, where Hemonto is not really visible. You only realize Hemonto when you enter winter. So you realize that yes, there was a change and that was Hemonto. So it's a post facto emotion, so to say. But here he starts with these lines that you then called me, but I couldn't respond. I never had that time to respond. So you waited and then you went away. Okay, so let's start with the song. সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে আমার সময় হয় নাই সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে. Just to begin with this song, I should mention that this is based on Kaharba Tal, which is 4+4 tal, which has got 8 beats. So you can understand that Rabindranath is basing his creativity on simplicity. Okay, the tunes are simple, the tals are simple, and he has come out of both the phases. That is, he has come out of getting inspiration from Dhrupad, Dhamar, all these genres where he was using complex tals. And in the experimentation age, he was experimenting with tals, where we have examples of Shoshti, Jhampak, Navotal, etc. And now he is in a phase where he is resorting to simplicity. Okay, so this is a very simple song, so to say, but rich in emotion and lyrical quality. So let us start again. The word Shedin has got a grace note of Resa. The Re is a touch note. So when you start the song, it should sound like this. Shedin, Shedin, আমায় বলেছিলে সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে আমার সময় হয় নাই সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে. Sing with me. সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে আমার সময় ফিরে ফিরে চলে গেলে ফিরে will start on the last two beats of a kaharba tal. So it is 7 and 8. So if I count the tal like this, সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে আমার সময় হয় নাই সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে ফিরে ফিরে. Okay, the stress would be on the second period. Let's sing the first two lines all over again. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4.
সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে আমার সময় হয় নাই সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে ফিরে ফিরে চলে গেলে তাই সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে.
আমায় বলেছিলে also has got two grace notes. সেদিন আমায় বলে পামা পামা বলে গারে ছিলে. So সেদিন
আমায় বলেছিলে.
which means that these words or these letters at least should be sung very softly. Okay, you can only touch the grace notes if you sing the songs softly. Okay, so it is an indication that these parts should be sung very softly. Okay, now use the two grace notes or three grace notes that I told you and sing the line 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4.
সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে আমার সময় হয় নাই সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে ফিরে ফিরে চলে গেলে তাই সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে.
So the mark of oboshan is on bolechile. So whenever you want to go to the next part, you have to sing till সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে. The next lines are তখনও খেলার বেলা বনে মল্লিকার মেলা পল্লবে পল্লবে বায়ু উতলা সদাই. সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে তখনও খেলার বেলা বনে মল্লিকার মেলা পল্লবে পল্লবে বায়ু উতলা সদাই. সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে আমার সময় হয় নাই সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে তখনও. Okay, can you understand? তখনও should start from the third and the fourth beat. Okay, so you leave the shom 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 তখনও. Okay, so let him play the kaharba tal and you start with তখনও.
তখনও খেলার বেলা বনে মল্লিকার মেলা পল্লবে পল্লবে বায়ু উতলা সদাই
lines we see the poet is explaining that it was a time when we had a lot of mollika. Mollika is a particular flower that blooms especially during the autumn or Sharod in Bengal. So it was a time when we had a lot of mollika around. So it was, in this sense, we can understand that this was the end of Sharod when he is writing this. Okay, when he is actually placing this song in terms of time, in terms of the climate. So he says that তখনো খেলার বেলা বনে মল্লিকার মেলা, it was time for us to play, and we had মল্লিকা all around us. পল্লবে পল্লবে বায়ু উতলা সদাই. So and it was a gay time, and it had wind, it had everything which as in prevented me from understanding that you were there and I couldn't identify you. So we come back to the line that সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে আমার সময় হয় নাই ফিরে চলে গেলে তাই. Okay, so let us sing the song from the first line till this point. Okay, the point till which we have learnt. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3
সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে আমার সময় হয় নাই সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে ফিরে ফিরে চলে গেলে তাই সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে তখনো খেলার বেলা বনে মল্লিকার মেলা পল্লবে পল্লবে বায়ু উতলা সদাই সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে আমার সময় হয় নাই সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে.
And with this we move on to the next part, which is the Shanchari, which says আজি এলো হেমন্তের দিন কুহেলে বিলীন ভূষণ বিহীন. And he continues, বেলা আর নাই বাকি সময় হয়েছে নাকি দিনও শেষে দ্বারে বসে পথপানে চাই, which in a nutshell would mean that now today it's a day from Hemonto. Okay, because I realize this because everything is bare now. It's kuhili bilin bhushono bihin. It's without ornaments. Okay, so we have come from Sharad, we have come from the autumn season, and now everything is getting grey. So we are also approaching the winter. Okay, as I told you that this is a transitional season that we are talking about, and the transitions are happening and it's visible now. So, and then he says, Bela ar nai baki shomoy hoyeche naki, and he's asking that is the time right now, and is it time for me to now wait for you? He says, Dino sheshe dare boshe pothopane chai. Now I am waiting for you. Okay, and he started with this line that সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে আমার তো সময় হয় নাই, I never had that time to cater. Now I am waiting for you on the roadside. Okay, so this is the basic meaning of these lines. Let's now sing the Abhog part and of course the Shanchari part. আজি এলো হেমন্তের দিন কুহেলি বিলীন ভূষণ বিহীন. আজি এলো হেমন্তের দিন কুহেলি বিলীন ভূষণ বিহীন. Sing this line.
আজি এলো হেমন্তের
last part.
So,
1, 2,
repeat once
3.
more. Tabuk
Yeah,
part.
you have a question?
Tabuk part, repeat once more.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
বেলা আর নাই বাকি, সময় হয়েছে
Sing. Bella will be on 3 and 4. 2. 1, 2.
বেলা আর নাই বাকি, সময় হয়েছে নাকি, দিন শেষে দ্বারে বসে, পথ পানে চাই সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে, আমার সময় হয় নাই সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে, ফিরে ফিরে চলে গেলে, তাই সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে।
Now we are through with this song. We will sing the song in one go. Okay. So let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে, আমার সময় হয় নাই সেদিন আমায় বলেছিলে, ফিরে ফিরে চলে গেলে, তাই সেদিন চাই